I am here today with Josh from Ice Cable. Hi, Josh.
Hi, Amanda.
So good to see you.
You as well.
I love it here. I love your new warehouse in Vegas.
Thank you.
It's so much fun learning all about the machinery and the process and the people.
Yes.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
Wiring.
Yep.
One of the most important things to our customers,
Yep.
yet it's the one product that they don't see. It's behind the walls in every
100%.
home.
Yep.
So why does this product matter to our customers?
That is probably the most important question that never gets answered. So I would say a couple of things, right? When you're a new homeowner or you're on your fifth home and you're building your dream home, you're going to companies like ADS to enable the best technology, right? From automation, audio, video, lighting, etc. Wiring, this is what allows the integrators to create that experience. And there's a couple of things that are really important. What we do is, number one, we take safety very important. So all of our low volt cable is UL listed. What that means to the typical homeowner is that all of our product goes through very strict fire safety tests and performance metrics that by the time this cable gets ran and the drywall is up, our product will never be the root cause of any electrical problems, a fire starter, kind of like acting like a wick on a candle,
Very
right?
important.
That's very, very important. Another thing too, we also perform and test all of our products to essentially perform at the highest standard. So let me give you an example. In category cable, right? A lot of your guys' jobs, you guys are deploying, I would imagine, pretty robust networks.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Big
Okay.
time.
So it doesn't matter if you're running a Cat 6 or a Cat 6A or a shielded Cat. That product is designed to produce the appropriate amount of bandwidth that the homeowner is going to expect to get.
Yeah.
When you run inferior built cable that is probably copper shaved or has really bad jackets that nick the conductors, you're not going to necessarily know that the network isn't performing as it should until everything's installed and the drywall's up, and then you're wondering, hey, why is my access point bottlenecking? Why am I not getting
a great point.
the throughput of bandwidth that's necessary?
Yeah.
That can create a whole slew of problems. So with Ice Cable, we use the appropriate amount of copper that is required by HD-based standards in the industry. So if it's a Cat 6, Cat 6A, Cat 8, whatever it is, our product is built to handle and give you the amount of pipe that is needed to transmit all the bandwidth with no restrictions.
I love that.
Yeah.
And at Acoustic Design, we specifically use the best quality vendors for all of these reasons so that homeowners don't have to really truly understand every detail of it. They rely on us as the experts. We have other experts in this field, and that is why we partner with Ice Cable. Thank you, Josh.
Thank you, Amanda.
Good to see you.